Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix contact disappeared and missing problem on iPhone. First of all, you will need to log out from your Apple ID and log back in. To do that, tap on settings, tap on your name, tap on sign out, and once you sign out from your account, log back in and check the problem if fixed or not. Second solution is change group settings for contacts. Open call. Tap on contacts, tap on groups to the top left corner and deselect all iCloud. Tap on done and then check the problem if fixed or not. Third solution is turn off and on iCloud for contacts. To do that, tap on settings, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, and here you'll find contact option. All you have to do is just toggle off this to disable and select keep on my iPhone. And now again enable these contacts, tap on merge and then check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.